Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Dremel polishing bits is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any DIY enthusiast or professional, allowing you to achieve a mirror-like shine on various materials such as metals, plastics, wood, and glass with ease and precision, transforming your projects from rough to refined with effortless polishing power, making it a worthwhile investment for both beginners and experienced crafters seeking to elevate their work to the next level of smoothness and sophistication. Number 5. Dremel Polishing Kit. This comprehensive kit includes 100 polishing buffing wheels of various shapes and sizes, perfect for all your Dremel projects. It's designed to fit most rotary tools and makes polishing easy and efficient. With different shapes and sizes, it's suitable for a wide range of polishing tasks. You'll find the perfect wheel for any project, no matter how intricate. These polishing wheels can be used on a variety of materials, from metal and glass to jewelry and more. They're ideal for reaching hard-to-reach areas and restoring shine. The wheels are easy to attach and detach from your Dremel tool. They're also reusable, saving you time and money. This kit contains 35 1-inch wheels, 35 half-inch wheels, and 20 specialty heads, along with 10 shafts. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like. This kit offers a massive variety of shapes and sizes to tackle any project. If you need a cost-effective solution with many options, this is perfect for you. It's ideal for those working on multiple projects and need a wide range of polishing tools. What people say. Good amount wool and pieces. Works well, and definitely harder than I thought it was. I'd say it's firm. Which is a good thing. They work great and polish well. Great product, works well. Quality material. Number 4. Wool felt polishing bits. These polishing bits are made from premium compressed wool felt, ensuring superior polishing performance. They're perfect for use with your rotary tool. It comes with various sizes and 2 head shapes, bullet and cylinder. You'll find the perfect size for any project. They are ideal for a wide range of materials, from metal and jade to glass and jewelry. Use them for carving, grinding, and polishing. These bits will leave your polished goods cleaner and brighter than ever before. Achieve a professional-looking finish with ease. The included storage box keeps everything organized and easy to transport. They are simple to use and very reliable. Designed for rotary tools with a 1/8 mandrel, these bits are easy to attach and use. Get professional results quickly and efficiently. What we like. These polishing bits are made from premium wool felt for a superior finish. If you value quality materials and appreciate convenient storage, this is the choice for you. They are perfect for delicate materials and detailed work. What people say. These polishing bits are made very well. They worked perfectly for what I bought them for. I used them for polishing feed ramps on my pistols. I used with Flitz or Lucas gunmetal polish. The different sizes were great for different size feed ramps. As a first-time user, I am impressed with their durability. They arrived today with a diamond polishing paste, the first time using both products. The polishing head I used took a beating and is still usable for a similar glass polishing project. The individual felt bobs last about as long as comparable products. They can be cleaned on a carborundum stone to remove discoloration and oxidation. Number 3. Dremel Rotary Polishing Kit. This kit is perfect for all your polishing needs. It comes with 100 high-quality polishing bits in a variety of shapes and sizes. It has 5 different materials: corundum sand, sesame, cowhide, rubber, and wool. This gives you the right tool for any job. Each material comes in 2 shapes, cylinder and bullet, and 5 sizes, ranging from 4 mm to 10 mm. You'll find the perfect fit for any project. It's compatible with a wide range of rotary tools, including Dremels, grinders, hand drills, and pneumatic tools. The 1/8-inch shank ensures a secure fit. It's great for polishing metal, jade, molds, glass, and even gold and silver jewelry. You can achieve a coarse or fine polish, depending on your needs. This kit includes 100 polishing bits and a convenient portable plastic box for easy storage and organization. Everything you need is right here. What we like. This kit provides a diverse range of materials and grits to suit various polishing needs. If you're looking for versatility to handle different materials and finishes, this is the one for you. It's great for those who want one kit to handle many different tasks. What people say. They all cut well, without deteriorating fast. This is a very complete kit of sanding, grinding, and polishing stones. Once you get up to about 200 grit with sandpaper, these things will make it almost a mirror polish with little effort. Number 2. AUSTOR Wool Felt Mandrel Set. This comprehensive set is perfect for your Dremel Rotary tool. It includes 24 high-quality felt polishing bits in a variety of shapes and sizes. You'll receive both cylinder and bullet-shaped polishing heads. Each shape is available in 6 different sizes to handle any project. With 4 pieces of each size, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, and 12 mm diameter heads, you'll always have the right tool for the job. They all have a universal 3 mm shank. A free plastic storage box keeps everything neat and easily accessible. No more hunting for the right size. It's ideal for polishing a wide range of materials, from metal and glass to medical equipment and more. Achieve a professional-looking polish every time. This set makes polishing easy and efficient. Get yours today and start creating beautifully polished goods. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive selection of sizes and shapes for precise polishing. If you value convenience and organization, this is a great option. The included storage box makes it perfect for keeping your workspace tidy. What people say. I used a bullet-shaped buffing bit with some frits in my Dremel. With just the one bit I started with, I was able to complete my polishing project. The cone retained its original shape. I didn't have really any fibers being thrown off the bit. I ran it around 17,000 RPM the entire time, while using Fritz polishing compound. The bits all were contained within a nice plastic storage box, and that was within a plastic bag. Made short work of feed ramp polishing and seem quite durable. These glued-on deals are quite firm and have no issue holding together and holding compound or flits in this specific case at reasonable speeds. Number 1. Rubber Polishing Bits. These polishing bits are made of high-quality rubber, ensuring durability and effectiveness. They're designed for a variety of polishing tasks. The metal shank makes these bits easy to attach to your rotary tool. This ensures a secure and stable connection for precise polishing. With head diameters ranging from 4 mm to 12 mm, it offers versatility for various applications and materials. You'll find the perfect size for your project. The cylinder and bullet shapes provide different polishing actions. Choose the shape that best suits your needs for optimal results. They work great on a wide range of materials, including metal, iron, jade, agate, glass, and stone. They are truly multi-purpose polishing tools. These bits are compatible with electric drills, grinders, and other rotary tools. Easily integrate them into your existing setup. This set includes 20 polishing bits, giving you plenty for multiple projects. You'll always have a replacement on hand. What we like. These rubber polishing bits are built to last and deliver a professional finish. If you need durable and effective polishing bits for tougher materials, this is the perfect choice. They are ideal for those who value longevity and a superior polish. What people say. The abrasive material is very fine and it is made into the rubber, so as the tips wear down you still have abrasives. They don't grab or jump around like some other polishing grinding bits. Worked as expected, smoothing some polymer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.